Hey everyone, it's been some time. I haven't really vlogged, but let's get started. Today we're gonna do a realistic day in my life. Just had my tea and made a list on few things that I need to get from the grocery shop. Also, we are just chilling with the dogs and then decided to make some ramen. So here's the ramen vlog. Making the ramen a little less spicy because my sister can't handle spice, but I do love spice, but we're gonna work with that. Here's us just enjoying the ramen, and Miso is trying to sneak in and get some food if we can. Also, we love playing songs in our home. And here's a quick fit check. And let's go out. Average day in my life. I'm so clumsy and I just keep falling everywhere. It's embarrassing. Just came back home and my dogs are sleeping so peacefully. Woke up from my nap and just making healthy milk because my sister sprained her back. Also made some coffee for me. Edited the vlog and just ending it here. So bye guys.